In this video tutorial, we will be learning how to use Python to put text onto the screen and to ask the user questions, which we can then store their answers to. We will be using the Raspberry Pi editor, and you should be assigned to a class where you can get access to a number of different tasks. So to begin with, we are going to use an introduction to printing with Python. And there are a number of things we need to be aware of when we use Python to put text on the screen. The first is that all Python keywords are in lowercase. So the print command is print, all lowercase, and we then open some round brackets and we put inside there what we want to print. The next thing we need to be aware of is that things we want to print usually come in two varieties. We can either have things that go directly onto the screen, and these are wrapped inside speech marks. So we can see here, opening double quotes and closing double quotes. The other thing that we can print inside the print command is stored values. So here, game is storing the value pits and pythons. So game is like a labeled box in memory, and inside the box we have put the string pits and pythons. So at line 12, when we meet the print command again, the words welcome to will appear on screen. Then it goes and opens the box called game, takes its value out and puts that onto the screen. Then it puts the word version because that's wrapped inside speech marks, so that will appear directly. And then ver is a different box with the value 1 inside it. So if we have a look at how this code is working, this is PyRPG 0a, demonstration of print. And if I click on run here, we can see that at line 4, wrap your output inside speech marks has appeared on the screen. Line 6 has made an empty line appear. So this blue box that you see here is representing a gap between prints. And then line 12 has printed welcome to pits and pythons, which it took from the box labeled game, then the word version, and then the number 1, which it took from the box labeled ver. If we want to add our own code here, we can just press enter at the end of line 12 to leave a new line, maybe leave a little gap, and I can say print, and then I need to open round brackets. So in Python, a function call uses round brackets, and we put anything to be passed to the function inside those round brackets. So I'm going to print in here. I'm going to use a single speech mark here. Notice when I put a speech mark in, it automatically puts a matching pair. And I'm going to print here, this is more text. If I click on run, you can see that this is more text has appeared at the bottom of the screen. I can print additional pieces of information as long as I have commas between them. So in lowercase, the keyword print, and then I open my round brackets to tell it what to print. And I'm going to say ver, comma, is the number in the box. So when it meets the line 15, it's going to try and print something on the screen. Notice that ver is in black text here, so that means that it's not directly going to appear on the screen. It's going to go and find a box labeled as ver. So it comes to line 10, it sees that ver is equal to 1. It puts the 1 on the screen, and then it leaves a gap, and then it puts the string that's in speech marks directly onto the screen without trying to work out what it means. So we get 1 is the number in the box.